welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for amazing support. And if you're new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upload. Guys, it's that day again, 2021 Idols SA Season 17 Top 2. Next week is the week we've been all waiting for. The winner of the season will be announced. Our top 2 for this week is Berry and Karabo. Unfortunately, guys, we had to say goodbye to Thuthukile, who didn't receive enough vote. Her Idols journey ends here, but her music journey will continue. We wish her all the best. Let's get back to our top 2, guys. I'm asking myself this question: who deserves the crown between the two talented contestants? It's actually difficult to choose between the two. Berry is good, Karabo is good. Sizovotela ban, guys, ngampela. So what next week who's in votele ban? Let's check what other people are saying on social media. My votes are not wasted. I'm so proud of her. Top 2, she wins Karabo. Guys, the second one said, can they just announce Berry as our Idols SA winner? The third one said, gospel lovers, our winner did it for us. Karabo Waruna. Then the other one said, Berry is killing it now. She's gun blazing now. She will dominate the dance floor this December. We are going to vote Karabo this week and she's going to win. And the other one said, Berry is giving us the content we're hungry for. I love what you are doing as an idol, a true idol indeed. And the last one said, guys, I don't care who wins after this. They both deserve to win. Berry and Karabo. Hashtag Idols SA. Guys, the ball is now on your hand. That brings us to the end of this video. My question to you today, guys, who are you voting for today? Leave your comment below and share your opinion. Good night. Bye.